done so well, little one. I found myself at a bit of a loose end on a random Saturday in October. We decided to head towards Moel Tryfan Quarry, somewhere I'd never been before, and I really wanted to try and find Alexandra Quarry with the lakes, because it's famous now, having been on I'm a Celebrity. So there's the view. That's the Irish Sea over there, and Carnarvon Airport. So what do we think this is?
I think it's like where they hold like barrels or something, and then they like incline down.
Yeah, it's going to be somewhere they were working on the slates, because we found the adits here. So we're going to have a look, see if we can get in a bit.
Yeah.
It's going to be creepy. Creepy. But yeah, so there's the adits over there, and then it's very flat, comes around the corner, then off that way. Then I assume over there somewhere would have been an incline, although we haven't seen it yet. Let's go have a look in the entrance, shall we? So there's the old adits of the quarry. I have no idea which quarry, I'll have to find out later. It's very flooded, could be Bringwyn, I don't know. We'll find out later, we'll have a look at the book, shall we? And then he would come out and then go along this way. Go off that way. We have no idea why there would be a boat there.
No idea why, but there is something there.
But there's a boat.
Yeah.
You know that adits we saw? I think it goes into this hole over there.
So why is there a boat there?
I don't know why there's a boat there.
It could just be like something like this.
Well, the boat is here. The sea's all the way down over there.
There.
That's odd.
They can't.
After walking through the field and up the hill, I was quite out of breath, but finally we managed to reach this slate track. It heads off into the quarry, but the gate was open, so I don't feel like I was trespassing. Well worth walking up to the top here just to see this incredible view. You see the mountains towards Penllyn over that way, the Irish Sea, Carnarvon Airport, Dinas Dinlla, and then the slate tips of Moel Tryfan Quarry. And this isn't even the best bit, just wait for the other view. Meg's mucky pup. She went swimming. Peirianna tro mewn hithredol, dim mynediad i'r cyhoedd. Okay. Whoop. We shall go up then. Bless you. Hello, Megs. Hey, sausage. Should we keep going? Come on then. Just think I gweld the llyn, okay? So whilst we look at the view of Alexandra Quarry, let me give you some very brief history. It was opened in about 1862 and at its peak had over 200 men working there and producing 6,000 tonnes of slate per year. It does seem that the quarry wasn't open much after the First World War and closed completely by 1938. Different to the Blaenau quarries, this seemed to be like an open pit sort of system. You can still see some buildings dotted around the place, like this one here. And as you can see, there were some steps built into the wall. Couldn't work out what they were for. The most prominent feature of Alexandra Quarry nowadays is this blue lagoon. In fact, there's two of them, and they're always so inviting. You just have to chuck a rock in. Right, dyn ni'n mynd lecho hwnna'n? So to come back to the I'm a Celeb thing, this is where one of the challenges were filmed for the 2021 version of I'm a Celebrity. This is the COVID years when they filmed it at Abergele. Do you know what I'm saying, Megs? Hello, sausage. Teach me to swim. So today we've come to Alexandra Quarry, just me and the eldest. Never been here before, not quite sure if we walked the right way and if we were trespassing. To be fair, I didn't jump a fence anyway, so I just followed some sheep trails and keep going. Hey, Megs! So the lake is there, but all of this here, this seems to be new. It's very fresh, so I'm not entirely sure what's going on. I should have to find out. That's the view there. Beautiful. So this mountain here, we think is Moel Tryfan, yeah? But it's also known as Mynydd Elephant or Elephant Mountain because it's shaped like an elephant. So head and its trunk, and then its big back and. Oh yeah, you can see his ear.
Because it's been carved into by the rock.
Cool, though, yeah.
Yeah. And there's a path going on to the top.
Yeah, you can walk to the top. Remember when we had the snow? Yeah. They were skiing down that slope there. Wow. I know, remember when we had all that snow? And behind us over there is a Wyddfa, but it's in cloud, so you can't see the top. And then you can go behind this mountain with a car and get over to Rhyd. But we're not going to do that now, we're going to go home now. Home! After a little walk uphill, we found this flat plain. Now, the road that you see coming along here is the old Alexandra tramway. It heads off around Moel Tryfan and then it goes down an incline, which is now the footpath. So you follow this and you get back to where we start. There is a slight diversion further on because the incline now goes through someone's garden and they've just diverted the path to go around the field instead. Well, we don't know much about this place, do we?
No.
We're going to have to read up about it when we get home.
Yes.
We've got the book, Welsh Slate.
Yes.
Yeah, written by the expert Dr. David Gwyn.
There's purple slate and there's a little bit of like blue slate. I've seen.
Yeah, so it's mostly purple slates.
And it's been mixtures of like white.
But there seems to be, what did you say, like a very, very light blue slate. Can we find some?
I have some.
Oh, she has some. So, blue slate.
Blue slate.
And then, but it's mostly purple. What else have you found?
Quartz.
We think it's quartz.
We think it's quartz because it looks like really shiny.
Yeah. Alright. Hello, sheep.
Hello, sheep.
Hello, coaches.
I just don't want it to go.
Hey! Oh, there's two of them! Not first look. Showing us their bums. Come on. Don't think Meg's has seen them. Hello, sheeps. Meh. Oh, Meg's has seen them now. Meg's has seen them now. This is why you don't let the dog off the lead, because she'll be after them. What are you going to do about it, Megs? You're not allowed to go to them. No. No, no. Is it? Ah! No, you're not going after them, madam. It's it. I get it. Blaenau Strait, the castle. Let me zoom in. The castle is right there. Now this has lost its quality now, but that is the castle in Carnarvon. The view, amazing, even though it's hazy. Anglesey, Carnarvon. Keep going, spinning around. Snowdon. Snowdon's over there, we think. Not sure. You've done so well, little one. You walked 2 miles, baby. Wow, and you're an old pup now. Good girl. Megs, oi, where are you going? Where's she going? Do you want to go home now? Come on, sausage. Come on, sausage. Let's go along an old tramway, shall we? See where we end up. Be mae Gandalf yn dweud, whenever you are lost, always follow your nose. What I say is if ever you're lost, find a sheep track. Always follow the sheep track because it'll end up somewhere. We carry on along Alexandra Tramway. It's now going to head downhill. I've had to mute the background noise because the wind noise was just unbelievable. It was so windy that day, but it was such a lovely walk. It's a windmill. Cute. Straight on. Look at the goats! Sviana, look!
It's a farm!
It's a farm! We're not walking through someone's field, though, isn't it? Oh. Hello, goatsies! Oh, look at them! Well, hello, goats! You are gorgeous pies! Oh, sweet back to us, sweet del! Cuties! Yeah, they're in bed. Around here after us, but oh, horrible deep this is going down. It would be a very nice house if you made it after. Oh, look at the view. The view would be amazing. Det must be one of those varenda. Please close and bolt the gate. Ah, courtesy path to avoid the house. Okay, cool. Yeah, do you bath? Would you like a bath? No. No? Okay. Nah. Hello, pup. Right, we'll find our car now, shall we? Yeah, good idea. Don't touch the electric fence, Megs. So the tramway goes behind that house there and through that yard over there, but they've diverted the footpath slightly, so you don't go through their house basically. So we're coming this way. Hello, sheep. Hello. Come on, chaps. Mum was back in the car. That was a really nice walk. We enjoyed that, didn't we? Yeah. We are going back to the car now. She wants to change her shoes. But yeah, I think it was almost a 3-mile walk. Didn't know where I was going, and basically followed some sheep trails, found Alexandra Quarry, walked through that, and then walked back along the Alexandra Tramway, and then along this footpath. And I believe I now have to walk over that way, avoiding electric fences, because my car is over there. See ya.